The universe hides worlds that break every rule of nature. Some are frozen solid, but burn like fire. Some are drenched in glass rain that cuts across the sky. And some orbit their stars so closely that they're slowly being eaten alive. Today, we're traveling far beyond our solar system to the strangest, wildest planets humanity has ever found. These are not science fiction, these are real. Each one defies physics, and every discovery rewrites what we thought we knew about creation itself. Number 1. The planet that never sees light. A world where night never ends. No sunrise, no color, just darkness so deep it swallows light itself. TRES 2b is one of the darkest planets ever discovered, absorbing over 99% of the light that hits it. Its surface is blacker than coal. Scientists believe it's a gas giant, 1.5 times larger than Jupiter, but unlike our giant neighbor, TRES 2b glows faintly red, not because of reflection, but because its air is burning at more than 1,000 degrees Celsius. It orbits dangerously close to its star, only 5 million kilometers away. That's 50 times closer than Earth is to the Sunday. The result? A permanent midnight of fire. Number 2. The planet of lava oceans. Now, a planet where one half is hellfire and the other half is frozen silence. 55 Cancri E is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star. The bright side is an endless sea of molten rock, glowing like liquid metal. The other side is trapped in eternal night, ice cold and lifeless. Between them lies a narrow band of twilight, a borderland of smoke and gloom. Temperatures swing from over 2,400 degrees Celsius in the lava ocean to below zero in the dark. Scientists call this world a super Earth, twice our planet's size, but nothing about it feels familiar. Number 3. The planet where it rains glass. It looks peaceful, blue and white, swirls like a calm ocean world. But that color is an illusion. HD 189733b rains shards of glass sideways. Its atmosphere is filled with silicate particles, tiny bits of glass that scatter blue light, giving it that serene color. The winds there? 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound. Every drop of rain becomes a blade. Every breeze is a weapon. Number 4. The planets dying in a pulsar's shadow. Deep in the void lies a system orbiting a dead star, a pulsar. This pulsar spins thousands of times per second, firing electromagnetic pulses that scorch everything around it. 3 planets orbit this corpse of a star. Each one is being stripped apart, atom by atom, by radiation so intense that their surfaces literally evaporate. They will not survive, they will vanish completely, leaving behind only dust and memory. Number 5. The planet that survived its star. When its sun turned into a red giant, this planet was swallowed whole, but somehow it lived. Kepler 70b was once a gas giant like Jupiter. When its parent star exploded, it burned away the planet's outer layers, leaving behind a dense, blazing core. Now, it's smaller than Earth but hotter than our Sunday. Its surface reaches nearly 7,000 degrees Celsius. Metal would vaporize instantly. Kepler 70b is a ghost. What remains when survival becomes punishment? Number 6. The planet being eaten alive. WASP 12b is stretched like an egg by its own star's gravity. It orbits so close that the star's pull is ripping its atmosphere apart. Every second, billions of tons of gas are torn away, forming a glowing trail like blood spilling in space. Within 10 million years, WASP 12b will cease to exist. It's a slow death, a planet devoured by its creator. Number 7. The planet of burning ice. This Neptune-sized planet orbits so close to its star that temperatures exceed 400 degrees Celsius. And yet, it's covered in ice. How? The pressure is so high that the ice stays solid even when it's hotter than an oven. Scientists call it hot ice, a paradox that shouldn't exist but does. The surface burns and freezes at the same time, a contradiction written in stone. Number 8. The acid planet. closer to home, we have Earth's twin, Venus. But it's a twin gone wrong. Its atmosphere is thick with carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. The pressure is 90 times that of Earth, enough to crush you flat. The temperature exceeds 460 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. And above it all, storms rage constantly, lightning flashing through yellow clouds of acid. If hell had a weather forecast, it would sound like Venus. Number 9. The planet of eternal ice. This planet orbits a dim red dwarf, too cold to shine brightly. Its surface temperature drops below -370 degrees Fahrenheit, only a few degrees above absolute zero. The entire planet is frozen. Solid oceans, mountains, even the atmosphere itself. But scientists believe deep underground, heat from the planet's core might keep a small ocean liquid. If life exists there, it hides beneath miles of eternal ice, silent, unseen, waiting. Number 10. The planet with iron rain. Dimidium is the first exoplanet ever discovered. It's a gas giant, but its atmosphere is filled with vaporized iron. When the air cools, that iron condenses and falls, raining molten metal. Imagine standing there, skies glowing red, rivers of iron flowing down invisible clouds. That's the daily weather on Dimidium. Number 11. The planet of melting air. Osiris orbits 8 times closer to its star than Mercury does to the Sunday. Its atmosphere is literally boiling off into space. The heat is so intense that molecules can't stay bound, they escape, forming a comet-like tail behind the planet. If you stood there and somehow survived, you'd see the sky itself being pulled apart. Number 12. The planet that crushes everything. Kelt 1b is massive, 20 times denser than Jupiter. Its gravity is 50 times stronger than Earth's. If you could stand there, you'd be flattened instantly. Even its atmosphere is so compressed that scientists call it super dense gas. It's not the hottest or the coldest, but it's one of the most dangerous because nothing can stand against it. Number 13. The planet of boiling rocks. Kepler 10b is another scorched survivor. Its rocky surface reaches 4,000 degrees Celsius. The stones literally melt into vapor, rise into the air, cool, and rain back down as molten rock. It's a cycle of evaporation and rain, but with lava instead of water. A planet that burns, evaporates, and rebuilds itself every single day. Number 14. The rogue planet. Now imagine a world without a sun, no orbit, no dawn, no anchor. OTS-44 drifts freely through space, 11 times heavier than Jupiter, yet completely alone. It doesn't revolve around any star. It floats in eternal darkness, glowing faintly from its own internal heat. If it ever collided with another planet, it would destroy it instantly, and scientists believe there are millions more like it, invisible in the dark. Number 15. The planet of tar and fire. Near the galaxy's center, scientists suspect carbon planets exist, made not of rock or ice, but carbon. Here, oceans are made of tar, rain falls as gasoline, and volcanoes erupt crude oil and methane flames. Any oxygen that enters this world turns instantly into carbon dioxide, while poisonous clouds blacken the sky. It's a nightmare of chemistry, but a masterpiece of physics. Number 16. The planet of endless oceans. Finally, a planet that's both peaceful and terrifying. Gliese 12-14b is a water world, a planet made mostly of liquid and ice. It's 2.5 times larger than Earth, but 6 times heavier. Yet, it has no solid surface. Its ocean could be 60 miles deep, 10 times deeper than the Mariana Trench. Temperatures reach up to 250 degrees Celsius, but under immense pressure, the water never boils. Instead, it forms hot ice, dense and solid, lying beneath the ocean like a metallic floor. It's a world of boiling seas and frozen depths, calm on the surface, chaos underneath. From burning darkness to frozen light, from planets that rain metal to worlds of endless oceans, our universe is filled with contradictions. Each of these worlds is real, Each tells us that creation is more imaginative than anything we can dream. So what do you think? If you could visit one of these planets just for an hour, which one would you choose? Tell us in the comments below, because out there in the vastness, every strange planet reminds us of one thing. Our Earth, with all its flaws, is a paradise.